What's up? Oh. Yeah, me too. Second one. That's the biggest burp.
Yep.
They're acting like Daddy Pig. And honk like a.
Holy crap! That's
What's
how you
up,
sound when you're. That's how
Kaden?
you sound when you're a baby. Hi everyone. I'm Mousy.
You too.
Oh no! I must help me, people on YouTube. Please subscribe and help me.
Daddy British
Hola, I'm Joseph. He's Holy Bear, and Kaden just left us and ditched us. You sound like Mexican. I'm gonna tell my mama joke. Your mama's so ugly. That's why Pennywise lives in the sewers.
Your mom was so stupid. She got hit by a cop and before the cop, she got mugged.
Your mama is so stupid. She thought she was gonna hit a tree, but she hit Pennywise.
Your mom was so stupid. She thought Pennywise was an ATM station.
Break through the card in there. Break. What's your ATM card number? I guess you're not that good. Okay, stop the video. Please subscribe, share, to Steve friends, and like.
Shut up. No.
Bye.